If you struggle to explain your brand in one sentence, there's a reason for that. Most entrepreneurs can talk for a long time about what they do, right? But when someone asks them, well, what is your brand about? What is your business about? The answer feels super long, messy, and unclear. I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I've decided to post one video every day for 365 days while I study strong, impactful brands, rebuild and rebrand my business, and share everything I'm learning with you. So, all I do every day is study brands, how they work, and why they are successful. And I have learned something very important, right? Strong brands are very easy to explain, not because they are small, right? But because they are clear. Here's what usually causes the problems for an entrepreneur, okay? Entrepreneurs, they try to explain everything all at once: their skills, their experience, their services, their story. And this is too much for just one sentence. Strong brands choose one main idea to lead with, and then everything else supports that idea. Here's another reason why, explaining your brand or business can feel hard or just feel unclear for you. Okay. And that is that your brand was built from the inside out. So it makes sense to you, right? You understand it, but not everybody else understands it yet, right? Versus strong brands, they build their message from the outside in. They start with the problem that people have, the result that people want, and then they explain how they can help get that result, right? So here's a simple test. If someone repeats your explanation back to you and it sounds different, then your message is not clear yet, right? You just have to tweak. Clarity is not about sounding smart, right? It's actually about being able to understand what you offer and being understood as well, right? Here's the most important part of this lesson. If your brand is hard to explain, people will not explain it for you, meaning no word of mouth, right? And word of mouth only works when the message is simple. This is the one main lesson that I am applying right now while I'm refining and rebuilding my brand, L'Amour Fashions. And again, I'm documenting it here on Brand Impact 365. So, if this video has allowed you to see that simplifying your brand and trying to narrow it down, making it easier for you to explain it in just one sentence, if I've got you thinking about that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, I appreciate your support and you subscribing to the channel does allow YouTube to know that this video needs to be seen by more people. So I appreciate your support. All right, friends, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.